Hello Tech Innovators, myself Akash Datta, back again with a new video of the series Arduino projects. Today I will be making a smart steering which is capable of alcohol detection and engine locking. This would prevent severe road accidents due to drink and drive. So let's start the video. Subscribe this channel if you have yet not subscribed. At first, grab an Arduino in your hand and then attach this MQ3 alcohol detecting sensor with it according to the diagram on the screen. Also attach the relay in the same manner. Like this video and put your comments below. Also share this video with your friends. Now attach the 16:2 LCD display with according to the diagram. So our circuit is ready. Let's move to the coding part. Copy the code from the description below and upload it to the Arduino. So our project is now ready to be tested. Here I will be using hand sanitizer instead of alcohol for the testing purpose. So our car is now on, and now if I bring some alcohol near the sensor, the car will stop immediately. You can see it in the video. Here the car is symbolized by the moving wheel. Thanks for watching. Meet you in a new tech innovative video.